Looking for an affordable family car that's cheap to maintain? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the world of reasonably priced, low-maintenance cars that are perfect for families. In our search for the perfect family car, we're focusing on three key players: the Honda Accord, the Toyota Camry, and the Subaru Outback. These cars have earned their stripes in the auto industry, boasting a blend of affordability, reliability, and family-friendly features. Starting with the Honda Accord, a car with a reputation for being highly reliable and affordable. The Accord boasts a spacious interior and excellent fuel efficiency. It's known for its low-cost maintenance thanks to Honda's robust engineering. The Accord is also a car that holds its value well, so when it comes time to sell, you can expect a good return on your investment. Next up is the Toyota Camry. The Camry is a crowd pleaser, with its comfortable ride and impressive fuel economy. Toyota's reputation for reliability is legendary, and the Camry lives up to this legacy. It's also one of the cheapest cars to maintain, thanks to its durable build and readily available inexpensive parts. The third contender is the Subaru Outback. The Outback is a versatile vehicle, offering both car-like handling and SUV-like cargo capacity. Subarus are known for their longevity, and the Outback is no exception. With its all-wheel drive system, it's great for families who live in areas with harsh weather conditions. While the maintenance cost of the Outback can be slightly higher than the Camry or Accord, its durability and versatility make it a worthwhile investment. So, to summarize, the Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, and Subaru Outback all offer affordable, family-friendly options for those in the market for a new car. The Accord and Camry win the day when it comes to low-cost maintenance, while the Outback offers a bit more in terms of versatility and cargo capacity. Each of these cars has its strengths, and the best one for you will depend on your specific needs and circumstances. Whether it's the Accord's robust engineering, the Camry's legendary reliability, or the Outback's versatility, you're sure to find a car that fits your family's needs and budget. Remember, the best car isn't necessarily the most expensive one, it's the one that offers the best value for your money, meets your needs, and will be reliable for years to come. So, whether you're a family of four, a couple just starting out, or a busy single parent, these three cars offer a great starting point in your search for the perfect family car.